Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Laili and I will present and show you how to use Inventor using a simple design. So this is the design that I'll be using for this session. The unit dimension used is in mm, which is millimeters. So before we start, to check whether we use the desired unit, you can click the setting icon which is configure default templates. It will pop up in what unit it's currently used. Just click the desired unit and click OK. To start designing, click Part and it will appear as in the screen. Click the 2D sketch, then click your desired plane. For this design, I'll be using XZ plane. We will start with the circle part as the guidance to create the rectangle. Insert the dimension as in the sketch provided. Making sure that all parts have fully constrained to prevent from the parts from moving. Click Finish Sketch, then choose Extrude in the 3D Model tab. The properties for extrusion will pop up and click the rectangle outside the circle area. The extrude value equals to 10 by using the default direction, then click OK. Rotate the bottom side of the rectangle, click and choose Sketch. Take the circle tool and drag the circle till the edge of the rectangle until the black line appears. Draw another circle with dimension of 25 mm. Finish sketch and click Extrude. Choose the face of the outside circle with asymmetric direction. For distance A, which is the downside, the value is equal to 5, while the upper side is equals to 45 mm, which bring the total of 50 mm height as per sketch. Just click Enter on your keyboard as an alternative besides clicking OK. This tip useful to shorten the time during designing process. To draw the U shape, click Sketch on the upper face of the rectangular. Use two tools which is Line and Tangent Arc. Draw the shape just like in the sketch freely, then put the dimension. For the seam of height, you can use equal tools in the constraint part. Exit sketch, then use Extrude. Click the face that you already draw. By using asymmetric with distance A is 5 mm upwards and 15 mm distance B downwards, then OK. As the U shape need to be hollow, click Sketch on the face, then use Project Geometry to copy the shape so that we don't have to spend extra time to draw another same shape. Exit the sketch, then click Extrude to cut the shape. Since the extrude shows upwards to add the thickness, choose the flip direction to cut the shape and select Through All to cut it till the end of the shape. Next, to draw the other side of the circle, sketch the part on YZ plane. Use the project geometry to copy the circle's shape as a reference. Draw a single line on the center of the circle, then click center line to make it as a reference line. To fully constrain the line, put the dimension to lock its position. To draw the parts, choose rectangle, then use coincident constraint to bring the rectangle to the center of circle. Continue the dimension with the size of the rectangle and the distance between rectangle to make the position in the center of the circle side. Then draw half circle using tangent arc. Start the arc on the edge of the rectangle to other edge so that we don't have to put another dimension. Draw a circle of 16 mm inside the parts. Finish the sketch, then click Extrude with symmetrical direction of 31 mm. To make the part stick to the circle, click Sketch on the flat part near the circle, then click Project Geometry to copy. Then extrude the part using the distance of 2 and click the circle part. As for the triangle part besides the circle, use Work Plane tool, click the right and left side of the face to get the copy of YZ plane to draw on it. Draw a single line and use coincident constraint to stick it on the line of the upper side of the circle and on the arc of the U-shaped surface. Drag the point of the line to the edge of both arcs and the line will fully constrain. Use the Rip tools on the 3D Model tab. Choose Parallel to Sketch Plane. Click the line as profile, direction 2, both sides of the face and up to next with the dimension of 10 mm, then OK. Right-click on the plane, then untick the visibility to hide the plane. To make the groove, sketch on the upper side of the circle, draw a rectangle freely, then use coincident constraint to place the side of the rectangle in line with the midpoint as a reference. Insert the dimension as required. Then finish the sketch and use Extrude to cut the parts and build the groove by using Through All. And finally, the design is complete. For more quick tips, do wait until my next video. Thank you.